Hello, it's me, Kat, again. So, this is my part two of this cross stitch that I'm working on. And it's not done. I just couldn't really wait, so I decided to do a part two. And then I will do a part three to show everybody, whoever's watching, if anyone, how it turned out. So, here is the picture. There's the palm trees. And I finished the palm trees. I think those are two coconuts. I don't know. I finished the palm trees. Here it is. I do not see any coconuts. Maybe it's just me. I don't see any coconuts. I was kind of worried that they might not be able to capture this, how fringy they look. But actually, they did a pretty good job. The creators, designers, whatever. This looks pretty good. Actually, it's pretty fringy. The palm tree itself turned out really well. Other progress, I just kind of left off halfway across on that one, but I'm starting to go in here and do, this was all number 17, I think. What number was that? Was this one 17? Yeah, it was 17. This is a seagull. So I'm going to try and finish that, see what it looks like. I did some blue in here because I wanted to see what the palm trees were going to look like, if they got any fringier maybe, if there was background in there. And all these little ones in here, these were all just like 1, 2s, 3s, 4s, just little... I guess they call it confetti. That was the other thing I need to correct myself from last time. I was calling it popcorn, but it's confetti. I did all in here, all the singles. This is actually 2 different colors. And it's like this. It's number 17 and number 1s together. And then you're going to do number 9 around it, which is a pale blue. So once I get these done. Also, I ran out of this color. It is right here. Number 18. That dark blue. Code 3750. I already emailed them and they said they were going to reissue it. Because it is just like here and there and everywhere. It's orange. Orange with the blue slash in it. Other than that, everything still looks the same. The chairs look better. The further away you get, I think they look better. And then when you zoom in, you get that. Yeah, so I still don't really see any definition with the shells. But I talked about that last time. So the next time I upload a recording, I just do this when I've missed a spot, so I know to go back. And that's the only one of that color. And this is the only one of this color. It is a, what is it? Dark blue. It's this one, number 7. One square of number 7. 1 square of, where are you? Number 4. This one, I think I used it up, so I leave it there just in case with a needle. This one here, I think I used it up too. It's a dark purple or blue, purplish blue, upside down L. So if I come across that one, then I've got it already loaded. And these are the same thing. This is just like, if I have extras, this is a nice, decent piece. So this is a blue triangle. So if I come across another blue triangle, I can use that up. And same with, there's an orange vertical line. That's a really nice color. Had lots of that. I just didn't feel like putting it back on the palette. So if I come across that little square by itself, I have pieces all ready to go. Same with these ones. I just, if it's a decent amount, you know, that's what I like to do. I like to just leave it with the little symbol. The symbols themselves are actually pretty big. They're like really big, eh? Half an inch or so. I mean, they're big. Also, I know it will all wash out because I tested it up here. So I know it'll wash out without a problem. So there you have it. I posted some pictures on my Instagram account, showing the progression of that palm tree. So if you feel like heading over there, you can find me under Cat Crystal Smith. All one word, no spaces or anything, or dots. Cat Crystal Smith, and I post a lot of my cross stitch there, my crochet, my quilting, anything crafty or stitchy that I'm doing, I put there. Any projects I do for my mom or whatever. This is just a hobby of mine. I am 100% amateur, so that's all I wanted to say. And if you want to stay tuned for part 3, that will be when the whole entire thing is finished. Bye for now.